हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल बाइकिंग बड़ी। और मैं आपका दोस्त सागर लामा एक और नए ब्लॉग पे।
और मैं आपको बाद में बताता हूँ कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं। टाइम इज 5:55। चलो अभी डायरेक्शन का तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है और टाइम हो रहा है 5:56। आधा घंटा मुझे लगेगा वहाँ पर पहुँचने के लिए। Your name? Bhargav. Bhargav.
So we have been given this form. It's a discharge of liability. So what we need to do is we just need to fill it up, give our signature, and give it back to them. Supposed to get 2 stickers. Sagar.
Got Sagar one?
Thank you.
There are 2, right? Okay, fine.
So these are the 2 stickers that I got.
Guys, please come here. Please come here then go. It's only for the main rider, not for the pillion. Yashwant is not here, right? Manoj, Avinash, Chakri, Sagar, Gurujar.
We are 20 राइडर्स एंड अभी यहाँ पर अटेंडेंस लग रहा है. सो कौन कौन आए हुए हैं, कौन कौन आए नहीं हैं, उन सब चीज़ों का देख रेख हो रहा है.
First person, second person should not be directly behind him. That is just make a little bit different like okay. So if someone is
So we are having a small detailing about the ride.
do not go in the same line. So if someone is stopped for the then you will again go and then all the way will be just riding again. Okay. Please need to put a mention on the road that the riding like not more than 60 or 70. Okay. Let's go, guys!
So guys, we have taken a halt here to have breakfast. So breakfast करते हैं फिर आगे निकलेंगे. ठीक है.
I know Anu Water and I am from Argentina.
I am Vignesh. I love vodka. I am from Bhusana.
My name is Heyman.
I love Haldiram Burji. And I am from Haryana.
Avinash, I'm coming from America. I love Anu.
I love Gobi Manchuri and I belong to Gujarat. Myself, I am from Goa and I love Gulab Jamun.
My name is Amit. I love Am. I am from Amritsar.
Myself Suhas and so I love Seagram Royal Snack, not necessarily. So I am from Shimla.
My name is Prashant. I love Pani Puri.
Pittsburgh. He's from Russia.
So we just had our breakfast and we did some fun game activity and we enjoyed thoroughly because everyone participated and we came to know about the name of the people. See, we all are new here, we don't know anybody. So this is my first time with TVS Apache riding community and meeting everyone for the first time and we'll see how today will unfold. So today is about riding to explore a new place and also making new friends. चलो चलते हैं. Let's put some petrol in the bike, yeah. Guys, we have reached the place Dandi Ganahali Dam. आप पीछे देख सकते हो मेरे. So this is the lake.
Without you, I'm lost without you.
A sort of favorite destination, I guess, because a lot of people are coming here. I think they enjoy the bath. Team has decided to go to one place, we'll trek and we'll find a location and then we'll make that place our base. So initially when I heard about this place name, since it has dam, I thought this would be usual dam, but this is not. This is very different. Like in current situation, this place where we are going, it's not allowed. There's a kind of barricade given there and two police personnel were also sitting and inspecting this place. So I think we have managed to come up. Let's go. Some bit of trekking हो रहा है. It's a sunny day. पसीना निकल रहा है. preparing for a group selfie.
Without you, I'm lost without you. I'm lost without you.
We are in Sikandapur right now, and most probably we are going to have our food.
I'm lost without you.
So we have stopped here to have our lunch. After finishing lunch, I think we'll go back home. Chalo, bye bye. भाई खाना ज़बरदस्त था और खाना हो गया हम लोग का। खाना खाने के बाद अभी क्या प्लान है, सबको अपने अपने घर चले जाएंगे। सो वी आर समवेयर एट बैंगलोर हैदराबाद रोड। बॉस मॉर्निंग 5 o'clock से जगे हुए हैं और अभी टाइम हो रहा है 2:30। सो ये TVS राइड जो हमने किया, दिस इज़ अनऑफिशियल राइड। जो भी एक्सपेंसेस था, लाइक वी हैड ब्रेकफास्ट, वी हैड लंच, so all these expenses we divided among the members. I'm waiting for the day when I can join the official ride for TVS. Looking forward for that in the future. Chalo, bye bye.
Bye 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 bye.
Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Coming. Bye. Chalo, bye yaar. Bye. Okay, bye. Bye, see you. Chalo, bye bye.